This is the brief on the vector triple product and the essential shortcut, the BAC-CAB rule. So why is this a big deal? Well, if you're in physics or engineering, this rule lets you swap a really messy calculation. We're talking two cross products for something way simpler using dot products. We've pulled out 3 key ideas from the source material to show you just how it all works. First up, the identity itself. You might just memorize it as BAC minus CAB. And honestly, that's the core of it. This rule takes a super involved cross product with 3 vectors and, just transforms it into subtracting 2 simple terms. It's an awesome algebraic shortcut. Okay, second, how do we actually prove this is true? For that, we need to lean on a fundamental relationship called the epsilon-delta identity. Some people call it the Levi-Civita identity. This is kind of the engine room of the proof. It's the key that connects the world of cross products to dot products, proving that BAC minus CAB works every single time, no matter what vectors you throw at it. And finally, there's the visual proof, which is just so cool to see. There's a geometric construction that literally builds the identity right in front of you, step by step. It shows, without a doubt, how the complicated left side of the equation and the simple BAC minus CAB side end up building the exact same vector in 3D space. So by linking that hardcore math proof to the visual construction, you see exactly why the vector triple product has to follow the clean and simple BAC-CAB identity.